Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear student? This is your English period. First recite Dua Rabbi Zidni Ilma. O my Lord, increase my knowledge. Beta Opiro English workbook, page number 71. We are on page number 71 beta, and today we are going to do comprehension 1. Write today's date and day over here. You know, in comprehension we are given a passage, we read that passage and then we give the answers of the given questions. Today's our heading is The Lion and the Mouse. One day a lion was lying under a tree in a forest. He seemed to have fallen fast asleep. Suddenly a mouse came there. It ran here and there happily. It reached the lion and climbed up his body. It began to play with the golden hair of the lion. Suddenly the lion opened his eyes. He caught the mouse and said, "How dare you cheat me, you the little mouse?" The mouse said, "O king of animals, take pity upon me. I am little, but I may be of some help to you one day." The lion got pleased with the mouse and set it free. यानी वो खुश हो गया कि माउस ने ऐसा कह दिया कि मैं तुम्हारी हेल्प करूँगा. वो हंसने लगा और उसने उसे जाने दिया. After some days, some hunters came from the city. They wanted to catch some lions alive. They caught the lion with golden hair into a big net. The lion roared and roared. There was nobody to help the helpless lion. The little mouse heard the lion's roar and came there. When it saw the lion entrapped in a net, it understood that there was a trouble. It went close to the lion and began to cut threads of the net with its sharp teeth. After some time, the lion was freed. The mouse was happy that it had helped the lion. The mouse said to the lion, "O king of animals, you are free." The lion thanked the mouse and walked towards his den. So moral is, do good, have good. Now read the passage and circle the correct answer. Number 1. Under a tree one day Dash was asleep. Lion, mouse or lioness? Yes, lion. Number 2. The mouse played with the lion's Dash. Ears, golden hair or tail? Right, golden hair. Number 3. The lion caught the mouse Dash. The lion caught the mouse and killed it. The lion caught the mouse and prisoned it. The lion caught the mouse but forgave it. Yes, the lion forgave the mouse. Number 4. What other word can be used for pleased? Helpful, happy or kind? Happy. Pleased means happy. Number 5. What adjective can be used for lion? Long, heavy or brave? Lion is long or heavy or brave? Lion is brave. Number 6. Pick the correct spelling. Entrapped with IN, entrapped with EN or entrapped with single P. See what was the spelling? Yes, ENTRAPPED. So ENTRAPPED. This is the correct spelling. Come to the next page. Now answer the questions. Question 1. What did the lion do when he got pleased with the mouse? Yes, beta. When lion got pleased with the mouse, so what did he do? He set it free. Write it here. The lion set it free. Now how did the mouse help the lion? Yes, beta. How did the mouse help the lion? It cut the net with its sharp teeth and lion got free. Now question 3. What is the moral of the story? We have studied the moral. Do good, have good. Number 4. Write any 4 verbs from the passage. Verb are the action words. You have to search 4 verbs and write it over here. Question 5. Write how each character probably felt. Yes, when lion was entrapped in the net, so how was he felt? And when the lion here entrapped in the net and the mouse was cutting the ropes, so what was the feeling of mouse? You have to write it here. Turn the page. Recall the story. Retell the story. Characters. Who were the characters? Mouse, lion, hunter. Setting. Setting means what was the place? Jungle. What was the time? Day. Then beginning. What happened in the beginning? The lion was sleeping and the mouse was playing on it. The lion caught the mouse but let it go. Then in the middle, what happened in the middle? The lion was caught in a net. And what happened in the end? In the end, the mouse cut the net and lion got free. Now the last question, draw a net on the lion. Here beta, you have to draw a net on the lion and do color in this picture. I hope you understood your work. Take care of yourself. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.